Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're about to take a deep dive into the captivating world of artificial intelligence. Often seen as a complex realm, we'll be untangling some of AI's most profound concepts in the simplest way possible, so buckle up as we unfold the intriguing facets of AI for you. Starting from square one, AI, or artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines or software that emulate human intelligence. It's all about simulating human-like intelligence in machines. Now, a significant pillar within AI is machine learning. Consider it the brain of AI. Machine learning is an innovative approach that enables computers to learn from data and enhance their performance progressively. It's akin to training a computer to identify patterns and make predictions based on those patterns. Delving deeper into machine learning, we encounter neural networks. These networks, inspired by the human brain, are composed of interconnected nodes. Similar to neurons in our brain, each node processes information and passes it along, enabling the network to learn and make decisions. Getting even more profound, we come across deep learning. It's a subset of machine learning that employs intricate neural networks with multiple layers. These layers assist the system in comprehending complex patterns in data, making it apt for tasks such as image and speech recognition. Another intriguing concept in AI is natural language processing, or NLP for short. This field focuses on enabling machines to understand and interact with human language. Think about your voice assistants like Siri or chatbots. They utilize NLP to comprehend your requests and respond intelligently. Finally, we explore reinforcement learning. This concept revolves around training a machine to make sequential decisions to achieve a maximum reward. It's akin to instructing a robot to play chess or a self-driving car to navigate traffic through a process of trial and error. And there you have it. We've unraveled some profound concepts in AI in the simplest way possible. AI is all about crafting intelligent machines, and at its core, it involves machine learning, neural networks, deep learning, NLP, and reinforcement learning. Don't feel overwhelmed by these concepts. They're merely tools and techniques that aid computers in mimicking human-like intelligence. With AI increasingly becoming a significant part of our lives, understanding these concepts can be truly enlightening. If this video sparked your interest and you found it helpful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any burning questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please drop them in the comments section. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video as we continue our journey through the fascinating world of technology and AI. Remember, the future is bright, and AI is a crucial part of it. And until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Bye for now.